All right, we're going to go through a buy trailing stop on the Alpaca Markets API. This can be when you're doing a buy trailing stop as opposed to a sell. The term trailing can get a little confusing. We're going to try to clear that up here, but essentially what it is you will enter a buy trailing stop order, set it at a stop at a specific percentage or price above the current price. If it goes up and hits that, it's going to enter a stop order. If it falls, it's going to move that stop order down in respect to that either percentage or dollar amount. So we're going to go through and try to explain it a little further with an example here. We use Costco, so the market price is $8.75 for Costco right now. Let's head over to the documentation here, and we'll start to build the request. We'll come to orders. We're going to do it for Costco, as mentioned. If you don't have your key and your secret key, you can come to the dashboard. If you don't have them saved somewhere, you can always regenerate. We'll put those new values in for the key and the secret key. And then we're going to do, let's say, 3 shares. We'll do a buy trailing stop order. So you can choose either a trail price or a trail percent. So let's say I wanted to buy if the price gets $15 above where we enter at. Now, the way that this will work, and you could do the percentage well if you wanted to, it depends on what works the best for the way that you want this to function within your code. If we do $15, like we said, the price is currently at about $8.75, we'll just say for example purposes. We enter this and the price just keeps going up and up and up to that $8.90 mark. It's going to enter a stop order and we'll execute the 3 shares that we're looking for. However, if let's say we're at $8.75, we fall to $8.50 and our trail price is $15, that means $15 above the lowest price we get to, then it's going to adjust that stop order to execute at $8.65 if we then go upwards. If we keep going down, it's going to keep adjusting it for it to be only $15 above the point where we keep coming low to. So if you continue to go lower, it's going to continue to drop. If you're at $8.75, you go down to $8.70, it's going to adjust it from the stop order price from $8.90 to $8.85. But then if you go from $8.70 to $8.85, it's going to execute there. So let's go ahead and copy this. Hope that made some sense. We're going to come to a Jupyter notebook here. I'm going to import JSON because I like the way that it returns the message instead of the print. So JSON.loads. We'll shift enter to run that. It's going to run Costco, 3 shares. We're entering a trailing stop buy to open. The stop price is right at that $8.90 mark, like we said. That's going to adjust if the price goes lower. If it doesn't, then, and if it continues to rise, then that will be the mark. So it just depends on what the price action is. But that is buy trailing stop order for Costco.